Today I will share a method where we can earn PayPal money fast. To do this, you don't need money to start. You don't need to invest any amount in any way, and you don't even need a credit card for this. Another great news about this method is that you can cash out or deposit your earnings to your PayPal account within 24 hours. This is also available worldwide. Any person from throughout the world can do this. Now let me show you your prospective earnings if you follow all the steps I show you. If you complete a simple task within 5 minutes, you can earn up to $25. When you finish a 10-minute task, you can make up to $75, and also when you complete a 30-minute task, you can earn up to $300. The earning gets bigger and bigger. Make sure you stick around and don't skip any part of this video to not miss out on any crucial information. But before we start, subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, hit the like button and share it with others. Now let's start the video. So this will be the website that we will be using today. This is Validately. You may have heard of this website before, yet I will show you a new technique that I have never talked about on this channel before. PayPal accept people from all over the world. So if you see your country right here, you can do this. You can then create a PayPal account if you still have not, and then we can start making money from this website right here. You can do this on your phone or your computer. So this will be very convenient. This is a legitimate company. As you can see, thousands of companies use Validately to improve their products, including Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Allstate and more. So many large companies trust this website, so you don't need to worry about anything. As you can see, when you come over to this website, test website, make money, it's that simple. Now go ahead and click this green Start Making Money button. Once you click that button, you will be redirected to this page where you will need to create an account, register as a tester and start earning money. Before we proceed, stay tuned because they will ask you a total of 16 questions and you need to answer the questions correctly so that you will be approved without any problem. Now click on this Create an Account button and then the first question will be loaded. What type of mobile device do you own? Select as many as you like, and whatever you have, you can select it, whether iPhone or Android. In my case, I will click on Android and click Next. Now we are in the second question. What type of computer do you own? You must pick either Mac or Windows PC. I will proceed and click Windows PC and click Next. The third question, what version of Windows do you use? I will go ahead and select Windows 10. Fourth question is gender. I will go on and click female since that's obvious. Then proceed to the fifth question. What year were you born? I will go ahead and type my birth year. Then proceed to the sixth question. What is your level of education? So I want you to stop right here and listen for a moment. Now if you will answer college graduate, you will be accepted with a much higher paying job because you can have an income or a job. So I suggest you click on college graduate and after that click on next. Seventh question, what is your employment status? So this is crucial. You can select here full-time, part-time or self-employed, either one of these three. For me, I will proceed and click self-employed. After that, click on next. Now the eighth question, in what industry are you working? Now when you click here, you will see a lot of different options. After that, you can click this, display additional results where they will show you even more results for you to pick. Now I will provide you a bonus tip. When you click information technology, you will make so much even more money on this website if you are in an industry where software is involved. So I will choose information technology and then click on next. Here is the ninth question. What is your job title? So when I click on this bar right here, there will undoubtedly be a drop-down list of different kinds of professions. There is a lot to choose from. Let me go ahead and also type in marketing and let me select on search marketing strategist and then I will go ahead and also click on next. 10th question. What's your annual household earning? So right here I want you to select within the range of 25,000 to 125,000. So let me choose the higher range right here, which is 75,000 to 125,000 per year. After that, click on next. 11th question, what is your full name? So let me type in Sophia Adams. After you type in your name, proceed to the 12th question. Type in your email address here and click next. Then the 13th question is, what's your PayPal email? Here you need to type in your email address to create a PayPal account beforehand. Before you do this method, make sure you have a PayPal email already. Once you type in your email, go ahead and click on next. Question 14th, choose a password, and it's easy. You have to type in your password and proceed. Now, if this video looks helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Here is the 15th question. What time zone do you live in? Click on Detect My Location. Click on this Provide Time Zone Manually button. After clicking that, you can now select which time zone you are from. Everything is right here, so you won't be having a hard time with this. I will choose America Denmark 7 GMT and then I will type in the United States for the country and Alaska for the state. After completing all these three, click Next. Now we have finally reached the 16th question. All you need to do is click on this Yes, I agree button. Then click the blue sign up button and you have finally completed the sign up procedure on this part. Now you have to check your email inbox for the confirmation web link. So make sure to go there and confirm it. When you have confirmed your email, go through a 1-minute screener test. I will show you exactly how to do it. Then right here below you can text the screener test. Now this link will only open if you are using the Chrome browser. Make sure you use Chrome. As you can see, Make Money testing website from your home. We are recruiting people to test websites from their home. If you are selected to join our panel, you will get emails about tests that you can take. To be applicable, you need to take this quick screening test. It will take 1 minute. Leave your real email below so that we can contact you for future tests. Only use Chrome, don't use Firefox or Internet Explorer. This will only take 1 minute. Now click on this I will test the website button. They will show you a tutorial. You can watch the tutorial video or skip that part. As you can see, this green button right here. This one shows or hides your tasks. This is where your job instructions will appear on this green button. You can always click that if you need to read your text. Once again, you can drag it anywhere on your screen wherever you find convenient. Click on OK. I am ready to begin this test. To begin, install the Validately extension as it is needed to record your screen. Now you need to click this button and this is the Chrome extension. There are over 100,000 users all over the world. Now click this blue button to add this to your Chrome. As soon as you have downloaded the Google Chrome extension, you will receive a document like this. This is one of the jobs you will receive and then visit Amazon, which is very easy. Step number 1. You need to visit Amazon.com. They will add the link and you need to click on that web link and proceed to the web page. So we have completed the first step. Step number 2 is we need to take a screenshot of the Amazon homepage. You need this step because this will serve as evidence that you visited the website. If you are using a phone, you can take a quick screenshot. And if you are using your computer, you can use your snipping tool and save the image right here. After completing the second step, let's proceed to the step number 3. We will see something like, please locate today's deal on Amazon and take a screenshot. Now I will go to the Amazon website and look for today's deal and it's usually found here at the top. Click on that and take a screenshot of the whole page. After completing step number 3, let's proceed. Step number 4 is to search for Scotch Standard Bath Tissue and take a screenshot. For now, they want us to look for a specific product. So right here, you can copy Scotch Standard Bath Tissue, paste it here and search for it. Again, there are a lot of results. As long as it's normal Scotch tissue, click it and again take a screenshot. Now, the reason that they made us to do this is that they want to make sure that whenever the customer go onto the Amazon website, they would certainly know exactly how to find today's deal or whatever item they want to look for. Once you give them the evidence, after all of the steps, you will get paid on your PayPal account. This is truly simple and beginner friendly. With even more experience, you can do this truly fast and find many jobs on the website that you can review and then make a lot of money. And that's it. Before we end, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, hit the like button and leave a comment down below on how much money you earn using this strategy. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.